Alright guys, this video is a little bit less of a rant and more of a how to construct this thing. Here you can see the head is two pieces, and later on I will show you how to assemble this fully, but as you can see here, most likely you'll put a servo in here for the twisting of the head, and then the two eyes, you'll have like little LEDs that go in here, and then you just snap these two pieces together. This, on the other hand, is the torso, or the chest part of the body, and it's comprised of three different pieces, as you can see here, and all you need to do is assemble them like this. And then we'll also go over how to put all the different servos in here correctly so that the rest of the thing functions the way you want it to. But this is a good way to get you guys started, so you have a basic idea of how this goes, since there's no instructions that come with this. Anyway, see you in the next video.